What's up, artist? Brandon here, all the way from Tokyo, Japan, a place full of culture and tradition in the tattoo industry. And what a better way to celebrate this creative hub and this trip than our best deal of the year, Black Ink Friday. Whether you're first starting out, building your portfolio, or ready to open up your own studio, this is full of everything you need to take your career to the next level. And for the next few days, it's $400 off. This bundle is insane. We're talking our neo-traditional tattooing course, your step-by-step guide to mastering one of the most popular and profitable tattooing styles out there, including a Procreate masterclass and neo-traditional drawing course from Nathan. We're also going to give you our 2-week studio course, where you'll learn how to launch your very own tattoo studio in just 2 weeks for as little as $5,000. I'll walk you through everything that I've done to open up my own studio, including legal, finding a good location, and getting your license. All of these things will help you pass your health inspection with flying colors and run a promo so the shop pays for itself in as little as 90 days, including all pre-written social media posts you'll need to pull it off. If that's not enough, we're also going to give you 6 of our most popular sketchbooks full of over 300 designs from neo-traditional to Japanese-inspired artwork. This will save you hundreds of hours drawing and help inspire your own unique style. And it didn't just stop there. We've also added exclusive bonuses that you can't get anywhere else, like a tattoo design mashup tutorial from the Tattooing 101 Vault, where I'll show you exactly how to turn the inspiration we're giving you in those sketchbooks into your very own unique designs that set you apart from everyone else out there. You're also going to get a live Studio Success Masterclass call to help you master the business side of tattooing. Normally, this entire bundle would cost over $700. But for Black Ink Friday, you could get it all for just $197. This is a one-time deal, and after Cyber Monday, it's gone. So if you're serious about leveling up your skills, building a thriving career, and standing out in a competitive industry, this is your chance. Click the button below and grab your Black Ink Friday bundle now. And let's make 2025 your best year yet as a tattoo artist.